What's going on, guys? We are up north at the cabin and we are ready to rip today.
Running a tad bit late this morning. Hi.
Look at this. Fresh snow. This is far much more snow than the last time we were here, so we are stoked to say the least. Dropping off these boys here to go skiing. Derek and I are gonna go run some errands, and then meet these boys back out here on the hill. We're gonna go park on the other side while they're here skiing, and they can let us know how the conditions are while we're hanging out in the warm car. I really meant we were just gonna go do this, really. We're really good at this, honestly. Like, that thing is mostly rear-wheel drive. I mean, his ABS is really kicking in. You can see that front wheel lock up a little bit. Pretty good. Not bad. FCA, I see you. Decent. Don't hit that car. Here we go. Boom. Yeet. Look at us go now. Over the curbs. All right, now swing it right. Transition. Oh, you transition. Oh, yeah. Look at us go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Alright, we're out here on the chair. I don't know if I've filmed on the chair. Yeah, I don't think I have because my hand's really cold right now, but we're out here. Schuss is 99% open. The red chair's opening tomorrow. There's 5 of us shredding. This has been so much fun so far. We're getting after it. And we're back on the chairlift. Kevin filmed a lot yesterday, I didn't. I've got my camera outside today, so we're gonna film a lot. Gonna be a good one. Good snow, good people, good times, beautiful weather. It's like 30 something and not a cloud in the sky, so can't get better than this. Got a down cat. Alec has got a,
you want me to hold it so you can two-hand it?
one of these new mini drones. Hey, what's that called? DJI Mini? Mavic Mini or whatever. So he's gonna pop that boy in the air, and then we're gonna have some drone footage for today's video. Pretty good skiing so far today. It's beautiful outside. I don't know, what do you think, Derek?
Conditions are lovely. Sunny day. We're having a good time here. A couple of white claws. Fly the drone a little bit and get back on the slopes, yeah?
Yeah. No, I'm excited for the drone footage. It should be pretty cool. And Kev G over here, how you feeling, bud?
Tired.
Tired? Thirsty? Well, we can help you with one of those things. Alright, I'm gonna go get this thing on takeoff and see what happens. Look how tiny this is. For reference. Oh, you can't even see because the sun, I just blocked the sun. What? Is it pretty stable when you start flying?
Yeah.
Look at this little maniac. Transition to drone shots.
downtime. Count on American Home Shield to get you back up and running.
Oh, air conditioner too?
Be sure your budget's protected. For free information, call 1-800-991-9288.